Hi everybody, we're going to show you how to install the Red-Headed Rebel XL roll-up tonneau cover. You're going to receive a cover, unit, 2 rails, all the hardware, and the tools you're going to need is a 1/2-inch socket and some hand clamps. As you can see here, Joe has hand clamped the side rail to the bed of the truck. And now he's attaching the center clamp, and then he's going to do one at the tailgate area. You'll want to make sure at the tailgate area that the side of the rail is a tick higher than the bed cap, so you have good clearance when you over center the tailgate. And then you're going to do the front clamp. You're going to repeat the same process with the other rail. And then at the front, you're going to apply the seals, the front rail seals that go up underneath the rail here, as Joe's doing it. 3M tape right there to help keep the water out of your truck bed. Then you're going to attach the fast tension adjusters to the cover unit. The cover unit comes with the bars and bows attached to it. It's all pre-assembled. And then flip the strap around. By the way, you'll want to make sure your front seal is tucked under the cover. And with the straps, you want to make sure that they're in the bed when you attach the fast tension adjusters. And so now what you're going to do is you put the tension adjusters on the cover. Now you're going to attach them to the rails. And again, you're going to be using your same 1/2-inch socket and wrench. And you do that for both sides. Again, make sure when you make that attachment that the storage straps are inside the bed of the cover and not outside. Once you attach the cover unit, you're going to go back to the rails and you're going to attach additional weather stripping on the end of the rail, again to keep water from getting in there. Then you roll the cover out, you over center it. It should be close to being perfectly tight, but if it's not, you just roll it open again and adjust the fast tension adjusters. Seal both sides, as Joe's doing. And make sure it fits nicely over the tailgate. Voila! You have just installed the Red-Headed Rebel XL. Join us at rhrswag.com.